Hi guys, right now we're going to park downhill with a curb. Okay, so we are approaching the spot. Turn on your right turn signal. The car starts to slide. It's okay. We'll manage. Or not. So you have to come close to the curb if you can. See, there's lots of snow today, but let's do it anyway. So we have to come close, within 10-15 centimeters to the curb. So when we approach the curb and the car stops sliding, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Slowly start releasing the brake and let the car hit the curb with your right wheel. After that, put the car, engage the parking brake, turn off the vehicle, and you have to put your car in reverse. So now the car is not moving. There are three things holding the car now: the curb, the parking brake, and the car is in reverse. And all this is very important for a road test, and this is exactly how you have to do it. And you can see even in winter, with all the snow and sliding, we can still manage to hold the car in place. So to leave from the spot, what we have to do is, first of all, press the brake pedal and press clutch all the way. So the car is in the reverse right now, that's how we left it. Put it into first gear. All this time keep holding the brake and the clutch. Release the parking brake. Because it's snowing right now, you see the car kind of wanted to move but didn't, because you're holding the brake pedal. Start the car. Now you have to check your left side mirror. Again, it's snowing right now, we can't really tell much, so open the window. You can even clean your mirror and see if there is anybody in the back. After that, turn the steering wheel to the left and slowly start moving. Because there is lots of snow on the hill right now, we have to be careful. We have to leave the car in speed when we leave the spot. So release the clutch and let the car go in the first speed. This way it won't, hopefully, slide. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.